Wonderful Tim Watson from Studio 62. He's fabulous. Oh, and there she is, the infamous Hill Cook. Beautiful. Let's do our damnedest to do something with this. Gorgeous. Oh, wait a second. Quote from Tim. Tim. What was that?
Don't give up your day job.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Yeah. Can we get like a little table shot too? Oh, I'm working on that. Can I take just pictures?
I think, oh sorry, in blue with the orange cravat with the
You're brave enough to wear coloured pants, Dave?
Keep going. Beautiful. Hey. There you go. We just thought we might drive back.
Because we're not models, we don't need to lose weight.
We're perfect. Swim with our hands.
These are the models.
These are the models. Like they're walking. There they are, walking back in the rain. Woo! Ow! Oh, whoops! Are you walking? Because you need to lose weight.